Hi guys, how are y'all doing? It's Lancelot here and welcome to Tel Aviv's Jaffa Port. Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. Today we are going to stroll around with our tour buddy Sweet Blaze and find out all the exciting things to see and do in Jaffa, from the ancient port city overlooking the Tel Aviv skylines to fascinating art galleries, shops, and eateries. So let's go! Shalom! מה נשמע? יופי. On our way to Jaffa, we decided to pass by one of the historical landmarks in Tel Aviv, Israel, which is the Smiling Whale. Playful bronze statue of a smiling whale and a small fountain that's a popular spot for photographs. Oh, nice. That's the view from here, guys. Guys, so this next one that I will show you, it says the largest steel spoon. Okay, and it's included in the Guinness World Records. Beautiful view. Guys, let's check out the view of the port and Andromeda's Rock by going this way. I think this one is during the pandemic, right? They added a mask on him. Smart. Okay, let's keep going. We're a while ago, guys. Now we are going down this way, and there's a church in here. Yeah, we saw that clock a while ago. And here it says Mifrat Shlomo Street. And this one used to be a restaurant, guys, when I was here last November 2019. This one was still open, I believe.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
Woo. And look at that view, guys. I really can't get enough of this view. So beautiful. That's the view of Tel Aviv right there. Alright, let's go this way. Hey Ming Ming! They're coming! Welcome to Jaffa Port, guys! Hey guys, so we decided to come here in the old man and the sea. Yes, guys. Hello, how are you?
Yeah, they're still alive.
That's right.
How are you?
We are good, thank you. Wow. What do you have there? Ooh. Look at this. We just sat down and we got lots of salad already.
Just the appetizer.
Just the appetizer. This is unbelievable.
And the rules here to eat to finish.
Oh my, good thing I did not eat since last week, since I arrived in Israel.
If you're feeling full, that's your problem.
Alright guys, you heard the man, eat everything.
Alive?
No, I'm vlogging.
It's okay.
I'm just taking videos. What's your name?
Murad.
Hi Murad, shalom, מה נשמע?
يلا בסדר, מה שלומכם?
בסדר גמור, תודה.
בסדר, יאללה, יבוא.
תודה רבה.
רוצות סלט ירקות, סלט עברית או עברית? מדברים עברית? mushroom salad or eggplant on the grill, the both is amazing.
The eggplant?
Eggplant, it's amazing.
Okay.
It's hot salad.
Yeah, but we have lots here already.
I can do what we have. If you like, I can order. If you don't want, it's okay. Up to you.
All right, sounds good. We want to order actually seafood.
Seafood
Yeah.
for two.
Cheers. Eat that by yourself. It's bigger than your face. And count how many salad we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is the fullest, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is the rice, 15, 16, 17, I think I lost count, 18, 19, 20, that's guacamole, Papi, that's guacamole. Is this a 21? 22? And this platter here, falafel, 23. I don't know guys, I think I lost count, but anyhow, that's all the salad we got and it's in the house and this one's already eating. Alright, let's try this. This is the seafood platter that we ordered. It comes with everything. All right, and this is 269 shekel. NIS. All right, guys, dig in. So that's some mussels, guys. Alright, guys. So we had our meal, but this one gave up early. This is what's left. All right, we tried our best, but even just with a salad though, it's too much food. And there goes the double seafood platter, still there. Salad still there. All right, guys, so we got a dessert here. I don't know what it's called, but it comes with this cute cup of tea and the cute cup of coffee. Cafe Arabic or something. Yes. Yeah, that's how small it is. So cute. What do you call this one? Maze. Gedurin. Sweet. Matok. Fun. So guys, here's our bill. It says there 269 shekel. Upstairs we go up like that. Look at that, guys. What is that? Comment down below. Done with our meal, plus we have a takeout. When you come here in Israel, you should go visit them, and they have friendly stuff too. Salad alone, meal for free. Salad for free. Salad for free. And right now we are here at the port. Jaffa Port it is. Look at that. It's gonna be sunset soon. And there are people that are fishing, or actually just a kid for now.
Where are we?
We are here in the best place. One of the best places in the world.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got to keep breathing.
Kuya, naka-midrib. Uy, nice. Ano yun?
Only in Israel.
Kakaiba na yun.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
I hope you enjoyed that. Stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time. Bye.
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that